There's a special kind of magic in the laughter of friends. In Balusan Park, that magic comes alive. Under the shade of a massive Asian tree, the friends gather for a photo arms around each other, faces glowing with sunlight and laughter. For a moment, everything feels perfect, a harmony as warm and golden as the afternoon sun.
You know what, Kate? This park started as a naturally and beautiful place that's shaped by time and people. At itong mga puno na to, it shows how it grew it together and creating this beautiful place at yon ang nagpapaspecial sa lugar na ito.
Oo nga, ang ganda dito. Perfect na perfect for picnic. Kasama yung friends, families, and couples.
Yes, it was.
But even in the brightest places, shadows can begin to grow, like the friendship that once felt like endless summer, believing time would never run out. But seasons change, careers bloom, responsibilities stack, and one by one, the group scatters like dandelion seeds in the wind.
Kate, have you noticed things feels different lately between us?
Ha? Hindi ko alam yung mga sinasabi mo.
We used to talk about everything katulad ng dati, pero ngayon ibang-iba na.
Alam mo namang busy ako. May kanya-kanya din naman tayong buhay ah.
Sino to? Sino to? Sino to?
Surprise!
Hi guys.
Oh, ano meron dito? Para kang pinagbagsakan ng langit at lupa dyan.
Guess we're all just growing apart and I miss the old us.
Ano ka ba naman, Selby? Okay lang na maging malungkot. But lagi mong tandaan, a true friendship is like a strong roots of the trees in this place. It endures, right guys?
Yes. And Shelby, you are an amazing person. Kate feelings doesn't change your word.
This park, it's beautiful when it's changing seasons. Your feelings are valid, Shelby, but our friendship are just as strong as those trees. We're here for you, Shelby.
Oh, thank you guys.
Just like the strong roots of the trees in the Balusan Park, the friendships remain as strong even if it was tested by time.